Hey guys, thank you for checking out the video. This is what I hope to be the first of many such videos where I ride around my Onewheel with my belt trash can cleaning up the local parks. Now this is White Rock Lake, Dallas, Texas, and this is one of my favorite parks to ride around in. It is usually a pretty clean park, but there's always a little bit of trash to pick up here and there. Now there are a lot of really cool parks around Texas that could use a little trash cleanup, and that's where I hope to continue this video series for you guys. Take you along with me on these little trails, pick up a little trash, and have a little fun along the way. Now please let me know what you think of this video editing style. I'm not quite sure if I should just play it all or speed it up or cut like most videos do, so I kind of just zoom past the boring parts where I just ride and then slow it down a little bit for you guys when I find a little trash to pick up. Please let me know what you think of this video editing style because I could always improve a little bit. I really love riding around and picking up trash because obviously riding the Onewheel is a blast, but keeping my eyes out for trash makes it like a little scavenger hunt. And it's actually really fun, even though you're just picking up garbage. It makes you feel good that you're doing a good thing. The most validating aspect, of course, is whenever somebody sees you picking up trash this way, they actually tend to say thanks a lot of the times. And here's one example of such interaction.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. No problem.
Now, whenever my trash can gets full, I can empty it out pretty easily. Here's actually where I lose a little piece of trash, unfortunately. Didn't see this one come out. But most of the time, everything stays in. I take my trash can off, I throw the trash in the trash can, I slide it back on, and I'm good to go on my way. It's actually a pretty simple process. Thank you guys for watching. That'll be the end for this video. For those of you who stuck around, here's a little extra bonus turtle rescue that I helped accomplish on this ride. Thank y'all for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.
Oh my goodness. I got him.
Can you shoot him a, yeah, can you give him a hand? Yeah, just give him.
Should I just toss him in there? He's a water-going turtle. He'll be okay, right?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's a water turtle, you know.
And if you put him over there, he'll it's no longer
All right. Have a sweet flight, buddy. Okay.